Hello students, today we are going to study Mathematics Part 2 of Standard 10, Chapter number 4, Geometric Constructions. Earlier, we studied construction of similar triangles and construction of tangents to the circle at any point on the circle with using center and without using center of the circle. Today we are going to study construction of tangents from external point of the circle. Now we will move on to practice set 4.2. Question number 6. Draw a circle with center P and radius 3.4 cm. Take point Q at a distance 5.5 cm from the center. Construct tangents to the circle from point Q. First, draw a circle with center P and radius 3.4 cm. Take point Q at a distance of 5.5 cm from the center of the circle P. Bisect PQ. For that, we will take more than half distance of PQ in compass, and from point P and point Q we will draw arcs above and below of segment PQ. Now join the intersection of both the arcs. We will get midpoint of segment PQ, that is point M. Now mark M as the center of the circle and construct circle with radius PM or QM. Mark the intersection of both the circles as point A and B and draw tangents to the circle from point Q through A and point B. Now we will move on to question number 7. Draw a circle with radius 4.1 cm. Construct tangents to the circle from a point at a distance 7.3 cm from the center. First, draw a circle with radius 4.1 cm and with center O. Any point P at a distance of 7.3 cm from the center of the circle O. To bisect segment OP, take the more than half distance of OP in compass and make the arcs from point O and point P above and below of the segment OP. Join the intersection of the arcs. We will get midpoint of segment OP, point M. Now, mark the point M as the center of the circle. M as center, and from point M with radius OM, mark the arcs intersecting to the circle. The intersection of the arcs and circle mark as point A and point B. Now draw the tangents from point P through A and B. Now we will solve question number 5 from problem set 4. Draw a circle with center P. Draw an arc AB of 100-degree measure. Draw tangents to the circle at point A and at point B. First, draw a circle of any radius with center P, radius OA, and extend OA till the exterior point. With the help of the protractor, measure angle P as 110 degree. Join the mark of 110 degree with point P and plot point B on the circle. Now, with the help of the compass, sharp end of compass keep on A and make the arc on both the sides of PA. Now, take more than half distance between the arcs and make the arcs above and below of the circle from the previous arcs. Join the intersection of both the arcs. We will get tangent of the circle through point A. Similarly, from point B, keep the sharp end of the compass on B and make the arc on both the sides of B. From both the arcs, take more than half distance between the arcs and make the arcs above and below of BP. In the intersection of both the arcs, we will get tangent of the circle through point B.